Good morning, guys. Brayden is up. About to go give him a bath. I'm gonna take a bath and then I'm going to make breakfast. I have a lot to do today. I need to go to the store, need to make dinner, I need to clean, I need to take my hair out. I also need to treat my hair, and I'm on call. I'm on call this weekend for work, so I have the on-call phone. So I also have to be prepared just in case I have to go in for work. So a lot to do, eh? All right, we're gonna go to Walmart later on. It's currently raining, so I don't know how that's gonna work, but we'll see. We'll figure it out and figure out what I'm gonna make for dinner. Right now, let me go shower bam bam, and I'll be back. I'm going to spray the bathroom. My husband normally cleans the bathroom, so I'm gonna spray it for him. I just put Brayden cartoon on for him to hold him for like a minute so I could spray the bathroom real quick, because if I don't, he's gonna run in here and the fumes I don't want. So what I'm using is this right here, but I have it in a spray bottle because that bottle is not spraying. So I have it in a spray bottle, so that's what I'm gonna use. I'm just gonna hurry up and spray the bathroom and hurry up and close the door and get out of here before this boy starts looking for me. Moms, how do you do house chores when you're the only one home? I'm done. I have bacon cooking. I'm gonna go finish making breakfast and then I need to go to the store. Papa? Brayden is literally playing smash or pass with the fruits that I gave him. Why do we give kids plates? They don't use it anyway. He just throw the plate away. Like all the food is practically on the floor. Huh? Why do I give you a plate? To pack, no, I'm going to pack his bag so we can head out to the store, and I need to change his shirt because there's orange juice all over his shirt. You got it? Okay, okay. Okay, you got it. Okay, big boy. Yeah, you're a big boy. You got it. Yeah, a big boy. Yeah, you got it. Ooh, ah. Ah. Okay. Big boy. Big boy made a boo-boo. I've been trying to go to the store now for about an hour and a half, and it's Brayden's nap time, but for some reason the boy refused to go take his nap. So now I'm here contemplating whether or not I should go and take the chance, or I should just wait until his dad gets home and then I just go by myself. Normally we just put him in his bed and he put himself to sleep, but for some reason today he will not go in his bed. I might have to just stay and just go to the store later. I need to order cold cuts from Publix. I'm gonna do that online, so I think I'm gonna go later. I'm just gonna like stay home until my husband gets home and then clean while this one go take his nap. I'm not gonna be able to do my hair today, but I might take it down later tonight or something. Hopefully I don't get called into work. To say hi to the people, Bray. You wanna say hi, Papa? Say hello. Say hello. Ooh, yeah, yeah.
It's only us that we're thinking, where we get that? Is it wrong? Is it right? You know that I'm missing you. I be getting mixed signals while you slow down. Don't stop this green light. Now you gotta be special when you know I can't have you. When I'm under the next one, oh, now you want to get aggressive. Oh, do you mean you keep on making me believe nightmares turn into a dream? If you're so toxic to me, what am I feeling? Cause I thought it was over. Got me thinking my feelings over. You keep doing it over and over. You keep calling me back. I'm just trying to get closer. You pulling me closer and closer. Phone ringing like over and over. Cause you keep calling me back. La 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 la. Why you keep calling me back? But I know that you can't back. Love needing you switch up. I'd rather we never pick up. But can we slip up and mix up sometimes? You say it don't mean it, just wondering when it's gonna be. Am I crazy for waiting? I might slide. Now you calling me special when you know I can't have you. When I'm under the next one, oh, now you want to get aggressive. Oh, do you mean you keep on making me believe nightmares turn into a dream? If you're so toxic to me, what am I feeling? Cause I thought it was over. Got me thinking my feelings over. You keep doing it over and over. You keep calling me back. I'm just trying to get closer. You pulling me closer and closer. Phone ringing like over and over. Cause you keep calling me back. La 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 la. Why you keep calling me back? Back. Now you walking on a thin line. We've been through it like 10 times, I'ma put you in line. Yeah, I had you on an incline. Now I don't even wanna reply, I'ma have to decline. Yeah, you showed me I don't wanna rewind. Yeah, no, you a 10, but that attitude ain't fine.
Something about cleaning that makes me feel good for some reason. I don't know. The fact that I get to watch something go from ugh to wow, that I like, you know? I'd rather to clean than to cook. I just want to know, like, when you guys go to the store, right, and you're going inside and you see, like, on one side it says welcome and then the other side it says welcome, enter here. Why the heck people tend to enter from the side that says welcome and then they exit from the side that says enter here? Make it make sense. Okay. So I'm looking for a feminine wash. I haven't used this before. Have you guys tried this before? Like, I'm gonna try it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right. Now I think I need food. My husband's probably gonna say, "Oh, you don't need it. Another candle?" But can't really have too much. So let's see what we get. I am sprung between the soft cashmere amber and the warm leather amber. They're so good. I'm sorry. There is something about amber that's, man. I think I'm gonna go with cashmere. I guess I'm gonna have to stop eating because ain't no way I just paid $150 for all the stuff that's in my cart. Ain't no way. Tyson chicken wings at that. The winglets, you know, the winglets. $9 for that little thing. Like that. I bought like 2 oranges, 3 tomatoes, you know, 3 corn, cause it's just the 3 of us, you know. And I shop for the week because I eat fruits and vegetables, you know. The only thing that I got today that was not on my list was the candle. The candle that I got, that was like the only thing that was not on my list. $150. Stressed out. Let me go to Publix and go pick my cold cuts up and go home, because you leave your house and you're spending big bucks just to step outside your house. You're spending money, literally. Like, I remember my husband and I was spending like $90-something in groceries every week. Now, damn near $200 sometimes. But what? I don't see what I bought for $150. This is so wrong. Look at my flowers. What? Yeah, like. And then this one got nothing on it. This one is empty. Alright, guys. I've had a full day. I've cleaned the bathroom, cleaned the bedroom, I cleaned the floor. Still haven't cleaned the living room, haven't done laundry, my hair. Didn't cook, but I also didn't get called into work. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. And if you go to Walmart, make sure you keep the tabs on what you got in your cart, because you're gonna come out with a hefty bill. Bye, y'all.